Good morning, everyone. Just got the last bit to do. This in here is what we intend to keep for seed next year. So apparently it has to be extra dry. So I'm gonna spread it out. And I've got white bags down there, which are the white only, down at the bottom, brand new bags. So we'll be able to identify which rice we've kept back for seed. So I'm going to crack on and do that. I'll go back in actually and put my camera on charge because I forgot last night. Well, that's 2 days of moderately hard graft done. Yeah, on the whiskey fish. So I'm in my best disco rig. I got Lloyd Creton tonight. What time is it now? It's gone 4 o'clock. So I want to go get this rice milled, give to her dad. Hello, it's me. Vlogging me. I said to Mimee, don't take the trailer off yet. Well, she's took the trailer off now. We've got to get these blue nets back somehow. Hey, what they like. Never listen. Check this out to glue it back on. Seems to have taken. Might be okay. So are you? What's cooking? Huh?
Duck soup.
Tomped bar. What's in there?
Hello for you. Big leg tomorrow.
Just 1 or 2 chilies, that'll do.
Yeah. I'm gonna leave you soon.
Gonna leave me? Why? Because I've done all that work. Now I've done all that, you don't want me? You think you're rich because you got a few ton of rice? Wait, what's that vegetable then? Huh? Man luck. 2D. 2D. Man luck. 2D. 2D, son. Ta-da. Christmas is coming. Which one? Right, I'll sit and wait, I guess. Where's this blue net? For some pan or what? I'll take to her house then. So yeah, I had to get the trailer. I thought, should I make 2 or 3 trips? And I was like, no, it might fall off. Now, I'll take the blue bags to her sister's first. Throw the rake over the gate for him. That's if you get the key. rice growing area for the village. They haven't got any room around where they live. He's going to go to the next village and get this mill. Get old, dog. Looks old. Is that a young dog? Where are we going? Up there. I just know somebody who's got a machine up there on the corner. Yeah, I know, I'm not daft. Left or right now? What's that? My side. This one?
Fun.
All right.
Fun is fun.
Straight ahead. Gone by. What? What are you looking for?
What's that?
Don't think you can eat that.
Shampoo.
No, it's not shampoo. Different.
What is that?
Yeah, starts off like that. If you don't know what it is, don't eat it. That's not shampoo. Different shape.
She cannot hear. Ma too close, sir. Never see this food. Look like shampoo. But
That doesn't look very nice to me. It looks dry and horrible. Well, this is custard apple. Annoying now. Bucky up. Oh, the rice. The rice? Well, the bloke's sick. So we're going to leave the rice here and come back tomorrow. Where?
Wow. For small chicken, easy, isn't it? You tell me here, but.
Yeah, if he's going to sell it. Right, let's offload this. What are you up to? Where's your shoes?
He's going to go back together with you.
Last bit of humping today. Well, humping sacks anyway. Sacks of rice, that is.